today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get an auto clicker for free. So you might need this if you want to go AFK in some Roblox game, or you're just too lazy to click, or your mouse is broken or something like that. And it works it works anywhere, and this is what you have to do. So search up mouse clicker, or you can just click the link in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna go on free mouse clicker. Also, by the way, there's no malware or virus or anything involved. It's only 400 KB, or 400 bytes. That's like not even 1 MB. So it will do nothing bad to your computer. It's basically like as big as an image. And then download free mouse clicker. And then wait, it's not, yeah, open. And now that is basically it. And to use it, you don't want to put any hours, because like that's pretty useless. You should put 0 minutes, 0 seconds, or 1 or a few more milliseconds. And you can choose whether you want to put left click or right click, or single click or double click. So it'll click twice every millisecond or once every millisecond. And to start it, you can either click on it, or you can press Control F2 to turn it on, and then Control F3 to turn it off. For example, like that. Control F2, see it's clicking, and then Control F3, it'll open that up and close it. And like if I go in here in this game, Control F2, there we go, it's training auto. I can just sit back or let that go the whole night. And yeah, so this was a really short video actually. I need some suggestions in the comment section below to know which 10 like special I should make. Right now I'm thinking of some kind of animation type thing, or like some real life thing, but I know for sure it's not going to be anything about gaming. And yeah, that was it. Make sure to like, hope this was helpful, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.